Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Freshcut. First, open the Freshcut application on your mobile device or navigate to the website. Look for the Login or Sign In button, usually found prominently on the home screen. Make sure you have your registered email address and password ready for the next steps. This process is designed to be quick and straightforward. Once you've found the login screen, you'll see two main fields. In the first field, accurately enter the email address you used when you created your Freshcut account. Then, move to the second field and type in your password. It's a good idea to double-check both your email and password for any typos before proceeding. This ensures a smooth login. After entering your email and password, simply click the Login button. The system will then take a moment to verify your credentials. If everything is correct, you will be seamlessly redirected to your personalized Freshcut dashboard. This is where you can access all your account features and content ready to explore. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this can sometimes prevent successful login. If problems persist, Freshcut's support team is always ready to help you get back into your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.